It's time. What year is it? 2010. The search has begun. You're the chosen one. You must find the Gauntlet before the Toroks do.
Oh my god, what was that about?
Time.
What the hell was that? Never mind.
It has begun. You're the chosen one.
What the hell? What the hell?
Run, Rocco. They're already here.
Who's here?
Give us the Gauntlet.
Get off me! Oh my god. What the hell?
Give us the Gauntlet.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Give us the Gauntlet now. Give us the Gauntlet.
Oh my god, I need a place to hide. Don't hurt me. What do you want from me? What Gauntlet? I didn't have anything. Oh my god! Whoa!
Must be the one. He's got strength. Let's test that. He's stronger than I thought. Gonna have to teleport punch. Let's teleport to another place.
Where'd he go? Oh, cause he's gone. I thought he told me. Oh my god! What's that voice? Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa.
You have to defeat this boy if you want to survive.
Who's that?
You have to survive this if you want to live. It's your fate.
Who said that?
You must fight it, Rocco.
I've had enough of this.
You're going to live.
Make me.
I will. What are you trying to do? Rocco, you must do it.
I will.
What is this?
Your death.
Come on. Rocco.
This is a crazy day.